Eating Yall. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69. Cause I got a recipe for you today. Yes, I'm the captain. I've been on a boat down to my basement refrigerator for some crab legs. Yes, look at these crab legs. Doesn't they look delicious? The recipe I'm using today is oven bake. You're gonna take a bowl. Get you a teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of oregano, and of course some of our Sneevy Love That BBQ spice. We season it with everything, and it has such all the flavors that you need. And you just brush it around. First, wash the snow crabs really clean and let them dry a little bit, and get you a brush and brush the olive oil and all the seasonings you just put together. And I'm going to put them in the oven at 375. Ooh, they're done. Don't they look? Oh my delicious, Mom. Yes, I can't wait to dive into them. They cooked on 375 for about 7 or 8 minutes. I'm eating mine like this. I have a baked potato with cheese, a fresh garden salad, and a corn on a cob. Yes. Oh, and don't forget the champagne. Go out and buy you a good bottle of champagne and go, oh my delicious, Mom. You know, we only get one little weekly visit to the grocery store. Live your best life. Eat the best food. When you go to the grocery store, you see something you think it costs too much. If you want it, buy it and take it home and enjoy it. All right? SomeMoonProducts.com is still open, y'all. Well, you can get an order for some Sneevy's Love That BBQ spice, right? We still taking orders. Enjoy life, y'all. And stay safe and stay inside. Cheers.